In this video I show you how to fix YouTube not showing on home screen or YouTube app icon not showing on Android phone. You can see that there is no YouTube app. For fixing this problem, click on settings, click on apps, then click on see all apps. Now search for YouTube app, click on YouTube, enable YouTube if you disable it, then click on three dot. Now click on reset app preference. Now click on reset apps. Now you can see that YouTube is showing. Now I hope that this method fix YouTube not showing on home screen or YouTube app icon not showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.